Hello you guys, so my name is Joshua Cohen and I'm back to the video today. So today we're going to listen to the church bells at 12 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon, but today is Sunday. We have 10 minutes. It's 11:50, but we're going to the Congregational Church. But unless there's something happening. If there's still cars, then we can, but if there's no cars, then we can go. But if there's no cars, we'll just have to go to the St. Luke's Church. Let's try the Congregational Church. Alright. But, oh God, there better not be any people. Let's try to see if it works this time. But if it's still happening, then we'll go to the St. Luke's Church one. Alright. Alright. See if this is happening. Alright. If they're still having services, we'll go to the St. Luke's Church. Alright. Time for the 12 o'clock church bells. Alrighty. Can't wait to hear the church bells at 12 o'clock. Can't wait to hear the church bells at 12 o'clock. Alright. Alrighty. Can't wait to hear the church bells at 12 o'clock. Alright. Let's try the Congregational Church and see if there's no cars coming. But if there's still services happening, then we'll go to the St. Luke's Church one. Alright. Let's try and see. Let's see if we can do this. Oh. Alright. Time for the 12 o'clock church bell. Never mind. Let's just go to the St. Luke's Church.
What?
If there's... Oh, there's just only one car.
Yeah. Why don't we go here? Do you want to
No.
go here? There's cars at St. Luke's
No,
too.
thanks. No, thanks. I want to go to the St. Luke's Church one. Alright. Oh, well, St. Luke's Church, not today.
Congregational Church.
Oh, oh, well, Congregational Church, not today. We're just going to the St. Luke's Church one.
I saw cars there too.
Oh, alright. It is still open today. Alright. 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 Oh well, Congregational Church. Sorry. You have to go to the other one. Alright. It's 11:53. But there's cars into the St. Luke's Church. There's something happening at the St. Luke's Church one. There's something happening at the St. Luke's Church one. Only a few cars. There's only a few cars. Alright. Time for the 12 o'clock church bells. Alrighty. Mommy?
Yes.
When I say, alright, you guys, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. But if I hear another church bell, I'm going to get out of the car.
That's fine.
Alright. Alright.
All the way.
Alright.
All the way up.
I already did.
Okay.
Alright. I can't wait to hear the church bells at 12 o'clock. Alright. It's so cool. Woody might do another church bell. But I already saw the other church bell over here. Alright. Ooh. That's gonna be very cool. It's 11:50. Oh, 5 minutes! It's 11:55. So that's why we're gonna listen to the church bells at 12. But also, if I hear another church bell, I might be in the car and I'm gonna record the video once again, okay? Alright. It's 11:56. Alright. Almost 12 o'clock. Alright. It's gonna be 12 o'clock soon for now. Alright. Guys! Mommy, I see a parachuter! Wow. A parachuter. There's a parachuter. Oh my God! Alright. There it is. Alright, we have 3 minutes. It's 11:57. Alright. There's a parachuter. Very far away. It's 11:57. It's gonna start in 3 more minutes. 11:57. But I have my bathing suit on. But I'm gonna hear another church bell this time. Can't wait. You're gonna be 12 o'clock! Gonna be 12 o'clock soon. Alrighty. So that's why we're gonna listen to the church bells at 12 o'clock today. But there's no clock over here, but there's bells inside. And I can see the star from the top. Or whatever the heck that is. 2 minutes! It's 11:58! Oh, 12 o'clock! It's gonna be 12 o'clock. Oh! 1 minute before that bell chimes, and that bell might chime in 1 minute too. Almost 12 o'clock! I cannot wait for the noise! It's still 11:58! I cannot wait to hear the church. We have 1 minute and 10 seconds. Oh boy. Oh. Alright. 1 minute! It's 11:59. Oh my God. Man. 1 minute. We will have 1 minute. Mommy, hear it! Oh my gosh. Wait. was so much fun. It's 12 o'clock right now. Oh boy. Alright, you guys, we'll see you in a few minutes when we hear another church bell.